Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the cancers, and this is which are associated with the important oncogenes. First, this is the CYMC. CMYC. So CMYC is associated with the Burkitt's lymphoma and also the adenocarcinomas, and this will be of the breast, then the lung as well as the colon. Next we look at the NMYC. So this is nothing but the neuroblastoma. Next there is also the LMYC. LMYC stands for the small cell carcinoma, and this is of the lung. Next, KRAS. KRAS, it stands for the colon, then the lung as well as the pancreatic tumors. The NRAS, it stands for the melanoma as well as the AML. Lastly, the HRAS, this is for the bladder as well as the kidney tumors.